Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN EDGE 540. In this video I'll show you how to mount it on the steering wheel. You can mount this device on the steering wheel using two ways. Firstly, as you can see, it can be mounted like this. In order to do it, firstly prepare one of these two handles that are included in the original package, and then select the separator. One is thinner, the second is wider. Now place the separator like this, and then place it over the steering wheel handle. Let's pretend my fingers are steering wheel handle, and then attach it using the rubber right here, like this, under the handle and right here, and same from the other side. In the end, place the device on the top and twist it. You can also mount it to the frame of the handle using this tool. Firstly, select the fill. These parts are filling that you have to place inside the handle, and using these tools release the lock. In the next step, place one of the filling, depending on the width of your handle. It can be thinner or wider. Use the screw and then install your device here and twist, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.